What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chad G Garage. I'm going to start out this video with a update on the IS300. I know I haven't posted in a couple weeks. I've just been busy. First of all, I had to prep my EG for a track event that was this past weekend, and I wasn't able to film or anything just because I was too busy and the weather was really hot, and I guess I was just lazy. So I'm going to update you guys on the IS. It is all finished, and here she is. So it's looking pretty good. I was really excited the way it turned out. I guess I can't say it's 100% finished, but it's drivable. I got to work out a little bit of the ride height. I want to drop the rear end down a little bit, and to do that I got to roll the fenders a little bit. So yeah, she's looking pretty good. Really excited the way that it turned out. For the little amount of time and money I spent on the car, it definitely turned out really good. I haven't even washed it or anything yet. I'm not daily driving it or anything because it's not legal. But yeah, as you can see, the rear end needs to come down a little bit, and tail lights aren't working for some reason, so I gotta fix that, and just some small little things I want to update. As far as I got a squeaky clutch pedal I want to fix, and yeah, so car turned out great. Really love the BN Sports kit with the Euro lines. It's a really classic look. Really love the way it looks. I can't stop staring at it. So really happy with how that turned out. This is just a little quick update video. Like I said, I was gone at West Michigan Honda Meet, or Wmhm, and that's at Gingerman Raceway in South Haven. And I got a little bit of footage from the GoPro from that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and include that. Here's the EG that I took. You guys may have seen short clips of it in the past. This is gonna be the next project in the video series. But yeah, the car is perfectly fine. I just did probably 15 sessions, 10-15 sessions or so, you know, seeing about 8,500 RPM, so the car is fine. I'm just unloading my stuff from the track right now. But like I said, I did get a couple videos, in-car videos. Let's see, one from Friday night, one from Saturday night in the rain, and then one session Sunday morning too. So I'm just gonna throw those in the video here. So yeah, just a quick update video. The Lexus is done. Just gotta button up the ride height and fix my taillights, and then I can start daily driving that. And then the EG is going to start getting tore down here pretty soon. I plan on installing this 98 spec B18C that you guys probably have seen stuffed away in the side of the garage here. So this will get installed here pretty soon with a 2000 ITR trans with the 4.7 final drive. So that will really help the car out right now. Right now it's just a stock B16. And I'm really excited to get the ITR engine in. And next video I'll pull this hatch out. I'll clean it up because it is covered in a bunch of crap from the track. And give you guys a full solid walk around and tell you guys what this car is all about next video. So stay tuned for more Honda content, guys. And there's gonna be a little bit more content on the Lexus. I wanna do like a nice video on the Lexus. You know, maybe like rolling shots and stuff like that. We'll see. But yeah, enjoy these next few track videos. I know they're gonna be boring, but you know, I figured I'd just throw them in because I have the videos already shot. So like I said, guys, give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and enjoy these in-car track videos.